Hello, beauty professional. Are you a hairstylist, barber, esthetician, nail technician, or trichologist? Do you seek to add value to your already developing career? Are you wanting to be a part of a wellness team, encouraging healing through beautification? Well, this is the perfect opportunity for you. B.C.B is a beauty agency dedicated to providing the highest level of holistic beauty services that aid wellness. We promote the production of cells in the body to naturally heal the mind and body through beautification. Our style team consists of beauty professionals just like you who are trained by a medical team to handle disorders and diagnosed conditions while providing service. B.C.B stands behind a satisfactory experience for our employees and clients. Now, we're not creating doctors in 2 weeks, but we are giving you the necessary knowledge to set you apart from other stylists. It's time to take your career to the next level and be a part of this great opportunity to use your skill to create happiness. Email us at info@beyondcranialbeauty.com or call 1-800-804-8397. B.C.B is waiting for you.